just can't let you go.
Today's video will be a mango turmeric smoothie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to like the video. I'll be using coconut milk, 1 tablespoon turmeric. I'll be using 1 cup frozen ripe banana, 1 cup papaya, 2 cups frozen mango. So this juice includes papaya, mango, ripe bananas, and I used 1/2 cup pineapple, frozen chunks in it. 1 tablespoon lemon juice or lemon zest, and we will blend this. And stay tuned, I will taste this to let you see and to hear my review. So I'm working, and this will be my lunch or maybe / lunch dinner. So I added all my fruits in my NutriBullet, and I used 1/2 cup coconut milk, my 1 tablespoon turmeric, and my 1 tablespoon lemon zest or juice, and there is the finished blended smoothie. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. Please also remember to watch the videos for even 1 to 2 minutes. Thank you. So my watch hours does not reduce due to not watching the video for a minute or more. Again, thank you for the support. I hope that you too will or want to try this smoothie. Please stay to the end and you will hear my review of what I thought about it. I know it tastes really good because I've done it before. Stay tuned for my outcome. Quick and short video. So I'll be testing my smoothie. I'm here at work and this will be my lunch for today. You too need to try this. Thank you for stopping by. Michelle's Almond Flavor Cooking. See you soon in another video. I did a smoothie today with some turmeric, mango, papaya, ripe banana. Catch you soon.